up, y'all? I know. Hold on. Let me, before I start the video, let's just get this out the way.
A tornado flew around. Hey, baby,
open my third eye. Now that y'all got some of the roasting out the way, we got a package to install, baby. We have finally received, after we have a splitter for the Integra. This right here is my P1 splitter and bracket combo mix, blah, 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 blah. And this is what I also got in the mail too. This is just sick. That's me before this.
Look at the top of his head.
Got the splitter unboxed, which Kiwi, if you're watching, which I goddamn highly doubt, great job on packaging, because bro, I even got Technus or Techno, whatever the hell they call when you use a razor blade that got like rust on it or something. I don't know, but I'm a little fogged up, dog. So it should look something like this. Now I'm assuming from reading the kit, these goes into this. So these brackets right here holds this lip down. I'm assuming I just gotta basically mount it up to how I'd want it. And then with these splitter brackets, I'm gonna have to mount on the chassis first and then see exactly where I'm gonna drill for this to work. So I line up this bumper and splitter stuff, get that lined up, brackets on the actual chassis. I'm gonna have to put the brackets on the chassis. Don't mind all this stuff that you see right here. That will be fixed, and I'll tell you guys what's going on. But I'm gonna have to take off my bar. What is this bar called? The traction bar. And probably have to go out and buy longer bolts so they can tighten up both things. But oh yeah, that's definitely coming down hard enough for me to postpone productions. So alright, so it's the next day, no more rain. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm kinda thinking that I might not be able to run my traction bar anymore, which would suck because I want to, but I might be lucky. It depends on how long these bolts are. If anything, I just run the Ace hardware. But it really depends on where my mounting brackets sit once it's mounted here. Like, will it interfere with the bar of the traction bar? So what I'm gonna do right now is remove these three, what are these? I think these are 14 mils. I'm pretty sure they're 14 mils. 14 mil bolts on both sides. Well, actually, I think those are 7. Whatever. Remove all 6 bolts and then mount up the splitter bracket wherever I put it. Oh, there it is. There's one there. And then we'll go from there. Got one of the splitter brackets on, and I already can tell that my traction bar is officially going to be no longer in use, because there's no way, dude. There's no way this is gonna work. And I don't want to get rid of my traction bar, man. I really, truly don't. I don't see no way around it. Maybe this can work. I have to put the traction bar on first. I should have never took it off. Took off the bolts, but like kept everything there. Then put the splitter bracket on. I think that would work. So it won't work at all, because look how thick that is in comparison to this as well. Like, if I were to put the splitter on first, then that, it still wouldn't work. That's no bueno, dog. That's no bueno, dog. I like my traction bar, bro. It's nice. It's really nice. It's innovative. And it's nice. And it was a gift. And it's nice. Did I forget to tell you? It's nice. Both splitter brackets are on. Now, with these tabs right here, these tabs basically slide onto the actual lip. I am going to keep my lip on. I do not want to remove it. The smart thing to do when you do buy a splitter kit from P1 is going to come with obviously without it being mounted to the bumper, so it's easier to install. I'm going to try to install everything while the bumper is still attached, because I don't want to ruin the paint once I remove this lip. Yup. Every day, bro. Every day. But look at this, playboy. Your boy finally got a splitter. All I have to do right now is just mark up where I need to drill the holes. I did it on this side already. The driver's side is all done. I went through the wheel well and did it with a marker. So you guys can see it. Oh, you can see it a little bit. Like right there, what I gotta mark that up better if I drill the wrong hole. But yeah, so I gotta take this actually back off and then drill it. But guess what I don't have? Yup, I don't have a drill. So I'm gonna have to wait to do that later. But the most important thing is that we now have a splitter. Let's try to step out in the rain a little bit to give you guys that. Oh, look how good that looks. Now, one thing I don't like is that this side, my side of my bumper right here, got like this nasty, like garbage fitment. But when I space it out, put a bolt in it, hopefully, and slide it back, it should clear that up real nicely. But oh man, and yes, this is wood, just in case you guys are wondering. And I had to cut. So yeah, let me tell you guys what I had to do. So I had to cut it because it was hitting the oil pan. So I had to trim like a little half of a rectangle out, I guess. I don't know. But now it clears perfect. And now I'm good. So all I gotta do is wait for my IX to arrive, put everything back together, and I should be good. I should be good. And yeah, man. So I went to Randy's house, picked up his drill. I got all my bolt holes now ready. Well, not holes, but like markings of where I need to drill. And I don't know what size I'm gonna use yet, but I am gonna be using this right here, Playboy. Now, you see how I do that product placement because, you know, I gotta start putting tags in the description of like Milwaukee so your boy can get that sponsorship. And Kato, what are you eating? Kato, what are you eating? Do you wanna die?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding dotted line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny.
Okay, so everything has been mounted up, and I finally used the quick release with the help of OG Quality. Got it off. I've been doing my wiring on my headlight harness on that side over there because I need to extend one more wire. This wire needs to be extended. I already extended these two, so my signal light harness is pretty much good to go. Well, today is Thursday and my axle don't arrive until next Wednesday, so I'm just gonna have to end the video here. I can't put the car on all fours to show you guys how it would look on the ground. I don't even know how it look on the ground, but this is it. I really want to know what I could use here as like a black trim. Like, you know how some cars have like that black nice little rubber piece that go along here. That's what I want to do to touch up this and make it look, you know, close to OEM as possible, because the Type R lips do have like that black little thing there. You can see that outlines and stuff, so you don't really see all this right here. And this is normal, like you're gonna have this no matter what lip you get, no matter what fitment. Maybe I don't know, but I just know you're always gonna have like where it flexes up and down, the lip goes up and down, and you get like this. But yeah, other than that, it's on there. Splitter is tough. Brackets is on there, all good. As far as a quick release, I tried to use it, but the only way that you can actually utilize this quick release is without this being attached, because when I tried to quick release put back on the bumper with lip and splitter, it's impossible. So if I want to take off my front bumper, I literally have to remove all the splitter brackets. It's that stupid. It's dumb. As always, thank you guys for watching me video. I guess you guys like my Nigerian accent, so I must close out this video in my Nigerian accent, okay? So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you were very well entertained, and I will try my best to keep uploading great content regularly, okay? Thank you. If you would like to purchase your own P1 splitter kit combo Kensington, link down below. Okay, have a good one, everybody. I am out. Peace. I love it here in America. It is so nice.
People are so nice to me. I tell them I am a prince.